guys, it's me again, Lola. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Lola. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my lobster tail. This is actually my first time making lobster tail at home, but really it was easy, but the hard part was me cleaning the lobster, guys. It wasn't an easy task cleaning it, because you have to be very careful not to break the lobster meat. So you have to really like open it carefully and pull it out. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that now, and also be showing you guys what I use for my sauce. So stay tuned. And if this is your first time on my channel, please click the red button below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope you find something that you like on my channel. Alright, so after cutting the shell, now the next thing you're going to do is try to put the lobster tail meat up, just to lift it up a little bit. And before you do that, or after you do that, make sure you take out all the membranes, all the poop of the, I think it's poop, I call it poop. So just make sure you wash that out with hot water, or just cold water, whatever you want to do. Just make sure all that's out from the lobster tail. So it's all cleaned now. This is the best. This is the best I can do with presentation. Doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. Alright, so I have my melted butter. I'm going to be using this seafood seasoning, some of this. I have my black pepper, paprika, and some garlic powder. You can use fresh stuff if you have one. Onion powder as well. Okay, I'm gonna mix that together. A little bit more paprika. This is my sauce here, and I'm going to be putting the sauce on and baking it. Okay, that's the sauce here. Alright, so now it's all done, cleaned and seasoned. I am going to be putting that in the oven for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Alright, 20 minutes later, and it's all done. When you see like it's a little brown, then you know it's done. This is all done. Let me know what you think. This is actually my first time, like I said, making this, and I think it came out perfect. I love it. It tastes so good. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other recipe that you use for making your lobster tail, or if there's anything else that you want me to show on my channel. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Please do so. Click the red button below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and see you guys next time. Bye.